When it comes to speeding up the load time of your WordPress site, one of the ways you can do this is by using what's called GZip. Now what this does is it squeezes all of the files of your site down to a much smaller size and sends that zipped up file to your visitor's browser, and then your visitor's browser then uncompresses it, shakes it out, fluffs it up, and displays your site to your visitor. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how all this stuff works by doing a test to see if my site is properly compressed. Spoiler alert, it's not. And if it isn't, then I'm going to show you a couple of different ways to get it compressed or gzipped. Now first off, let's go ahead and make sure my site is working properly, because we are going to be dealing with some code. And as such, I want to first off say that you need to do a full backup. Let's err on the side of safety. Do a full backup of both your files and your database, just to be on the safe side. And then come on over to www.giftofspeed.com/gzip-test. That'll bring you to this page here. And all we have to do is put in the URL of our website here. Now let's come on back here, copy, paste kind of thing. Copy, paste, click on check. Ta-da! As I had mentioned, it is not enabled. My site is not enabled for GZip. And it tells you here the benefits if it were enabled. And if we scroll on down here, how do I enable GZip? Click here for detailed guide. Well, this gives you a detailed guide of a couple of different ways, actually a few different ways in which you can enable GZip on your site. Most of these ways require you to edit your .htaccess file, and I'll show you that here in just a second. Another way down here at the bottom, which specifically talks about WordPress, and as it says here in the red print, it's not recommended whatsoever. So we have these options here. And if you're not really familiar with what type of server you have, chances are pretty good it's on an Apache server. And if you're interested in making any of these adjustments and you're just not sure about getting your hands dirty, making these changes to your .htaccess file, then I would suggest contacting your hosting service and letting them know what you're wanting to do. There's actually a couple of different types of GZip that you may want to find out first which one your particular server provides. Again, that would require a contact to your hosting service. Now, that all being said, let me show you the easy way. Log into your cPanel control panel. I know I should have led off with this, but scroll on down until you get to the Software and Services module. And right here where it says Optimize Website, go ahead and click on that. Now, most cPanel control panels will have this option. If yours does not, or you do not have a cPanel style control panel, then contact your hosting service and tell them what you're wanting to do and ask them about which particular GZip code you would be able to add to your .htaccess file. Anywho, we are in our cPanel control panel, clicked on Optimize Website, click on that radio button that says Compress All Content. Now, don't blink because we're done. Let's come on back to our test and let's see about our compression. It's enabled, all by simply going to our cPanel control panel and then going down and clicking on Optimize Website. That's how easy it is to enable GZip and serve up a much faster loading website to your visitors than if GZip was not enabled. And that's going to finish off this video on using GZip to make your WordPress site load much faster in your visitor's browser. Thanks for watching, and you have a great day.